Alright, so hi guys, so welcome back again to my channel. So this is a continuation from my previous video. So this one is for the AirPod unboxing. So I got the package a week ago, so I'll show you the unboxing video. And then also the accessories that I got for the AirPod. It's so far the quality is really good. It's really amazing. So this AirPod is not just for Apple products. You can also use it as well on your Android devices like LG, Samsung, or other phones that has a Bluetooth capability. I'll show you a short, like a demonstration or short clip how to, in case you want to purchase the AirPod. And you know, the reason why once again I purchased the AirPod, kasi kapag yung earphone ang gamit ko and then nakalagay sa bag or sa bulsa, you know, yung cord kasi kung saan siya sumasabit, which is really inconvenient really on my part, because sometimes pag sumasabit siya, so natatanggal, so pati yung mood mo nasisira. So I purchased the AirPod, so that's again so Bluetooth, so it's a wireless, so no more tangled. So once you get the AirPod case from your bag, so wala ng cord, so it's really convenient. The reason why as well I purchased again. So once again, first convenient, second no more tangled, and then of course the quality. So yeah, so I'll show you a bit demo or a demonstration how to pair these AirPods to your iPhone or to your Samsung or LG phone. So let's go ahead and try this one. So the light is beeping. Wow, that's really cool. It's easy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this one out. So this is the AirPod. So it's a products from Apple. It has like infrared at the back, and then it has a small button here, or meron siyang pindutan sa likod. So this case itself, when you pag nilagay mo yung actual AirPod niya itself, so nagcha-charge na siya sa loob. So this one as well, you can charge the actual case. So matagal mo siya nagagamit. Pag inopen mo siya, so ito siya. This is how it looks like. So you will see there's a green light. So there you go. So you will see for the right side, and then for the left side you will see the L icon. So here's the L. So yun, so once again, convenient, yes, convenient, since again wala na siyang cord. So you can easily put it on your ear. So yeah, it's like earring. So para lang siyang hikaw. You can use it one if you want. You can just use one, and then much better of course if you're used to. And then if you have like an Android phones, so what I have here is the LG G2 Pro. For the Bluetooth, so open the Bluetooth from the settings, and then once you open the Bluetooth from the settings, you just click this circle or button. So once you open it, you will see it's a green light, but once you press the button itself, press and hold, you will see it became white. So that will be the indicator that your Bluetooth AirPod is now looking for or searching for devices. So once it's already paired, you can just pair it from your phone. Since paired na kasi siya, so ayan na siya. So it's connecting. So ayan na siya. So connected na. So it's again hassle, yes, hassle free, convenient, and then once again no more tangled. So that's the reason why I also purchased this Apple AirPod. I bought again accessory or case online. So I got the items already just days or like 3 or 4 days ago. So I'll just gonna unwrap this one, okay? So I'll put on the info box below how much this and where I purchased the again the actual items. So this is the accessories that I purchased online. So it's a leather case. So this thing where you can put this on your bag, keychain. So there you go. So safe siya. And then yeah, so this is pretty much the case. And then also if you want to buy accessories for the actual AirPod as well, there's an accessories para kasi hindi siya, you know, in case na kasi di ba nga wireless siya. So in case you want to protect your investments, there's also like a cable where you can secure the actual AirPod. So that's all about for my AirPod unboxing. So for the next video, I'm thinking about another review for the fragrance mist. Yeah, I'm gonna keep you posted once I get the new package already. And thank you so much as well, again, for watching this video. And you guys have a great one. Take care.